from LA. He's not gonna be local.
Oh, okay.
Alright, take it easy.
Hey, mind if I get all your names and badge numbers right quick?
Deputy Fardo, 1644.
1644?
Nunez, 1479.
1479 Nunez?
Lopez, 1639.
1639 Lopez?
Tiga, 1304.
1304? 1623. I appreciate it. Are you guys just asking questions for people? You guys, my understanding, you guys are doing like a homeless sweep?
Just talking to people.
So the Fourth Amendment still applies, right?
Yeah.
All right. You guys have body cams on?
Yeah, to everyone. Fourth Amendment applies to everyone, man.
You guys turning on the body cams when you guys approach someone?
Huh?
You guys are turning on the body cams when you approach someone?
Depends if it's an active investigation.
All right. Thank you.
All right, man.
Just out here to document and ask questions, guys. This guy's gonna try to do a Austin Powers. Hey, you gonna try to pull a Austin Powers or what? You gonna try to pull a Austin Powers or what? Yeah. Looks like he's gonna try to pull a Austin Powers, guys. Boom. Austin Powers it is, guys.